Hello everyone, today I will show you how to align text boxes vertically and horizontally at-once using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now click on this home option and select here this edit option and select text. Now click on this text box and select and press Ctrl and hold it and select another one and also select third one. Now click on this arrange option and select here align to. You can align to selection, align to key object and align to page. I will first show you align to selection, and this is center vertically and see this, and also I'll say this one and select this one and arrange, and this is horizontal align, see this, and select here to page and middle, see this. Also select this one and this one and arrange and select here already selected page and select center and see this, and this middle. In this way you can align vertically and horizontally both of them at once. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.